Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. Today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert data into a table easily in Google Sheets. Okay, so in here I have this data that I added into my spreadsheet and I want to convert it into a form of table. So what you need to do is just block the data that you want to transform, and then you can go to format at the top and you'll see this option convert to table. You can also use this shortcut control plus alt plus T. So let's just click on it, and within seconds you can see that it will be changed into a table. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.